Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
Naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan overal.
Then here we go! Let's go to the beach!
These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man. Mater, let's go! You're on! Take my way, that's the highway, that's the
Spooklicht, je dacht hem aan! Nu zit het voor me! En nu zit het...
Thanks, guys!
Nice paint, kiddo! The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man!
Girls, bring on the confetti! Ow! Ow! Easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on.
Neither one of them has a single deck.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded?
And I'm not angry! Oh, I don't think so! No!
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Serán por vencidos? ¡Ah!
¡Crecer! If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School!
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will be...
Baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let... It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco.
All in all, in the final race, despite what occurred today.
Strays. Lightning McQueen.
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
I'm not coming in behind you again, old man.
I'm sure Gordon hasn't been in a photograph yet. I must find the photographer again.